If you're looking for one of those gems in historic downtown Nevada City where you can walk to all your favorite restaurants like Three Forks or the favorite ice cream store and all the entertainment, especially Saturday morning at the farmer's market, well, look no further, guys. I have the most spectacular home that you're gonna absolutely love, which this home features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it's 2,250 square feet. That literally is walking distance right there to Three Forks, to your favorite ice cream store, and all the entertainment that you would need in historic Nevada City. Let's go check it out. One of my very favorite features of this home is this kitchen. To be able to surround yourself cooking with this really cool kind of pot filler with all the beautiful design and decor, with the largest island I probably have ever seen. To be able to sit around, enjoy your guests, your family, and to be able to entertain and be just walking distance to downtown Nevada City. I love the double fireplace and the mantle that they put here, which is really beautiful. So you have one fireplace here and you have another fireplace in the kitchen, which is also a nice feature as well. But this is just a nice, warm, welcoming living space where you've got the entertaining space here for games and family. And then you've got the nook out here, which is great, which I love as well. This property actually can be yours fully furnished. So this is a working vacation rental that you can actually purchase it with all the furnishings. With the price we have it now includes the furnishings. And also what I like about the home tour, they got new split mini systems throughout all the bedrooms, upstairs and downstairs. So if you just want to be a little cooler or warmer in each different room, you have that as a nice feature as well. All right, come on up, let's go check it out. I love this little loft area. Again, you're equipped with a mini split. You got some nice views out here too, and you can see the nice fall colors that's happening here in downtown Nevada City. But again, all these beds, everything comes here for the vacation rental. So let's go check out the other wing. As you can see how the owner has so cutely decorated this place, which is absolutely adorable. So you got another mini split, got a lanai out here in the back too, but it's very cute. This is probably the room that I would take. And if you recognize her, let me know. This is the primary bedroom, which is on the main floor right off the kitchen, which is really nice. But you can see it's got a California king, another mini split unit there as well. Then it comes in here to this cute vintage bathroom. You got your laundry facility here, but check out this bathroom. Kind of a fun, nice piece. Everything that she has done in this, and decor and the design, is just so priceless and timeless. Besides this cute, cozy little breakfast little table here, I really enjoy the outdoor patio that they have out there. Just a little fenced area, brings a little bit of privacy and some serenity. You've got another patio covered out here. You've got some nice sitting areas as well. You can have a barbecue, and you can bring your food in and share it with all your friends. And what I really love about the location too is I can walk down on Saturday mornings. I'm 2 minutes away from a wonderful farmer's market. And there you can buy your fresh vegetables and fruits and bring them up and share with your friends and family. Hey, we're off to the farmer's market every Saturday morning downtown lovely Nevada City. We'll be back. I'm going to grab some fresh fruits, some fresh vegetables, and all sorts of other fun yummies, and I'll bring them back to share with my friends here at the vacation rental. This property features off-street parking. You got 3 designated parking spots right below, right behind, and then you got the garage as well. So plenty of space for all your company and guests. Hey, if you're looking for a place to live and a county to move to, well, look no further. Nevada County is the place. I'm here today in downtown Nevada City at this beautiful vacation rental that's completely furnished with some very vintage furnishings that is literally walking distance, just 200 yards away from downtown historic Nevada City to Three Forks, to my favorite ice cream place, and all sorts of entertainment. Hope you enjoyed this tour of the home. It's got 2,250 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. As you can see, it's completely just decorated to the era of when this house was built. Walking distance to downtown Nevada City for all your company, guests, and memories to come. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you at the next one.